Alright, hey guys, so this is a video showing you guys how I install my Kinky Curly Upart unit. Like I said, this is a Upart unit, so I do have leave out on the sides, and in the next part of the video I will show you guys exactly how I install it. It's very easy. I have clips attached to the Upart, and I use a couple of bobby pins to secure the back. I'll show you guys the back. Speaking of the back, this is freshly co-washed, so it's not as big as it would normally be. After maybe like a couple days, 3 to 4 days, it does get bigger. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned to the next part of the video. And if you have any questions about this hair, this texture, how to get a unit made by myself, or anything else, you guys can just leave it in the comment bar below. Any extra information about this hair, I will leave it in the description bar. The length, before I forget, I had 26. Once upon a time this was 26 inch, so somewhere like over here, but over time it shrunk and it's continuing to shrink. 26, 24 and a 20 inch, I would say. I don't have any more than probably like 2.5 bundles altogether I have installed. And yeah, I believe that's it, so stay tuned. Oh, my top. This is a DIY top that I made, and I did record a video on it, so I hope you guys will stay tuned for that video as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to attach it to this video or keep it separate and make another video, but hopefully you guys will watch it regardless. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.